Well, the old system for job planning was a paper-based system which was not at all complete, I think it's fair to say.
They were held in different bits of departments and never came together in one place.
We just didn't have visibility of how our doctors were working.
But it was pretty clear when I arrived there were also quite significant financial issues. We knew that if we could solve our medical vacancy issues, that would reduce agency spend, but also bring with it significant benefits in terms of safety.
And we needed to get that visibility and efficiency driven through the organisation. So as a divisional manager, my job is to make sure that patients are safe and that I deploy the resources in the best and most efficient, cost-effective way.
I advise the board on clinical issues and make sure that the doctors in the trust are doing good work, basically.
All of our senior doctors and consultants are on e-job planning now. In terms of e-rostering and using e-rotors, we can now clearly see on call, we can clearly see which doctors we've got where. In the beginning, I think doctors were getting used to using the system, and now we've got lots of little captions that when we've evaluated it that say it's the best thing ever, we should have done it years ago.
So it's very simple. You can download the app or bring the link on the home page, log in, and I can see my today's shifts. I can see my whole next ongoing shifts for the whole month. My wife got a login, so she can have a look and she can plan things around it.
I don't have a paper diary. I use my phone diary, so people who are more tech savvy, you can use your phone, you can log in anywhere, you can book your leave.
The value of e-rostering Activity Manager has certainly helped the Trust drive transparency and efficiency through the organisation. So the benefit for me in my job as Divisional Manager is it gives me absolute visibility of where my doctors are. It allows me to see the on-call rotas as well as the ward-based covers.
So I definitely feel that as a lead nurse and as head of service that I've definitely got more control and visibility of my rotas. I know where the gaps are, I know where my issues are, I know where my weak points are, and I know how to go about filling them and changing them to the services provided.
It also allows us to see that we're getting maximum efficiency from our resources and from our doctors, who are our most expensive commodity.
We check really tightly that what the doctors are planning comes within the spend for that specialty.
There's been a very obvious benefit in terms of finance.
Overall, the Medical Task Force and Allocate's contribution to supporting that has saved the Trust £6 million.
When you add in the benefits of the Allocate system in terms of control on agency spend, on rates, on the number of hours, the way we sign timesheets out, those three things of quality, performance and finance come together. So I think it's a great example of how you use IT to enable new processes to spread.
It's always been my philosophy that if we've got happy staff that are working well and they're working to the times they should be working, that the knock-on effect of that is always happy patients.
It's been a good move for the organisation, and I'm very proud to have been part of the rollout of it.
So given where the NHS is at the moment, facing significant financial constraints, I think data, together with technology to support how we then implement and develop change, are going to be crucial for us to move forward and change the way that we deliver healthcare.